Now, let's see how quick and easy it is to set up your solar inverter. Please read the instruction manual on how to install your solar inverter properly and be sure to follow all guidelines and recommendations. Once the inverter is installed, proceed to choose your device of preference to register your product. The WatchPower app and the SolarPower app are available in your Google Store and in your Apple Store. This also means you can install the software in almost any smart device. Once you've chosen your device of preference, we can proceed to install the application. We will make an example by installing the WatchPower app through the Google Store. Enter your Google Store application in your device. In the search field, look for the WatchPower or SolarPower app, depending on which type of solar inverter you have. If the solar inverter works on grid, then you will need the SolarPower app. If the solar inverter only works off-grid, then you should download the WatchPower app. The search results should be very accurate and will list the correct app. The procedure is the same in both applications. Now, you can open your WatchPower app in your device. Here you have to register an account with your information or company information. The last step of the registration is to scan your device Wi-Fi module product number, which can be found in the bottom side of your inverter. You can also do this manually. After a successful registration, you will be directly sent to the Wi-Fi configuration settings. First of all, with your smart device, look under your Wi-Fi settings while the app is still open, and look for the Wi-Fi product number of your inverter, just like you would connect to a new Wi-Fi. The password should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. After it shows a successful connection on top, please confirm that you connected the Wi-Fi module. The following step is to select the Wi-Fi connection your inverter should use to communicate the information. Here please select your standard Wi-Fi connection, and confirm. If you did everything correctly, you should only need to confirm. Please be aware that sometimes your smart device will automatically choose a valid Wi-Fi connection. Please check that you are connected to the Wi-Fi module and not your preset Wi-Fi source. The Wi-Fi configuration is now successful. Now with your smart device, you can select the preset Wi-Fi connection as it was before, now that the Wi-Fi connection has been established with the inverter. The registered solar inverter will be listed in your application once you log in with your information. Here you will see all scanned products. Thanks for watching. And start producing your own green energy.